How's it going, everybody? They asked me to come up here to fulfill their diversity quota. I'm just kidding. They're like, "Where's that Asian guy with the tech company? We need him up here." And they're like, "Oh yeah, get him up here." My name is Lee. I am the founder of Venga. It is a automated lease processing platform, and it helps students that are trying to move out early and process those transactions automatically. It's a management portal integrated with a mobile app. But I'm here to talk about how Venga was influenced by the Millennium Venture Challenge, or Millennium Venture Competition Series. But before that, the Rollins Center did an amazing job today at this production. I'm very surprised at how it turned out. Can we give them a round of applause for the Rollins Center? We have the team over here that's doing a great job. Jeff is in the back. Amazing. We have our judges. So just to give you a background of where we started before the Miller Competition Series, we kind of came in late last year. Our background is I'm a property manager. I own my own business here in Provo, and it incentivized me to start this idea. I may or may not have been using Tinder while I was trying to find a new tenant, and I said, "Oh, wouldn't it be great if we just do a Tinder with a tenant type of combo?" And it totally sucked. It was totally a bad idea. Like, what happened was the Miller Competition Series kind of showed us that. And what the biggest takeaway and the biggest influence for the Miller Competition Series was the community. And so what happened was through the founders group associated with the Miller Competition Series and the Rollins Center, we were connected to a very special group of developers that helped us to learn how to stay agile and lean. And for a lot of startups out there, these are really important words to learn. Nail It and Scale It is a great book to learn how to stay agile and lean. In our entrepreneurship class here at BYU, you do a great job at teaching that. Kind of to summarize, instead of a 40-minute thing, we're going to do a 4-minute quick spiel. What happened was that company taught us how to go from a $100,000 development sprint, as we call it, or build, scale it down to $20,000 as an MVP. Not only that, but we're saying a pivot that would have cost us about $70,000 ended up only costing us $5,000 because of how agile we were at the beginning. And the Millennium Venture Challenge and the associated community with that helped us see how to stay agile and lean. And so today, where Venga is, how about we say where we were before? Where we were before, we were maybe getting, we had like 100 likes on our Venga, or on our app page. We had maybe like 100 downloads when we finished the New Venture Challenge. It was like 600. As of today, our app downloads are around 2,000. That's scaled up on its own. We hadn't spent another dollar on marketing. And the other thing is we have 25,000 units waitlisted, waiting for Venga across 14 different states. And currently we have 2,560 beta test units here, including Alpine Village, Wolverine Crossing, Promenade Place, College Place, Provo, and Woodlands, and all those. And Riviera, got the factories involved as well. So that's kind of a recap. And so I would encourage everybody to continue with the Rollins Center and the Miller New Venture Series and the Miller Competition Series, and also give your support to the entrepreneurship community in this area. Thank you very much.